Before diving into roster and deciding whether it's the right choice for you, there are a few things you absolutely need to know. If you're considering making the jump into this software, stick around because we're about to break down 7 key points that will help you make a smarter decision. And trust me, some of these insights will definitely surprise you. Now, before we get started, you can actually try roster completely free through the first link in the description, so make sure to check that out if you're curious. But let's get into it. What makes roster stand out in a crowded market? First up, roster is built with simplicity in mind. When compared to other management platforms out there, many have cluttered interfaces that overwhelm new users, but roster does an impressive job of offering a clean, intuitive design. For anyone who's used more complex software like Monday.com or Asana, you'll appreciate roster's user-friendly layout. The interface doesn't make you feel like you're drowning in features. Everything is easy to find and get started with. Next thing, let's talk about customization. Unlike competitors, roster offers an impressive level of flexibility when it comes to workflows and templates. While other software platforms like Trello and Basecamp tend to lock you into certain structures, roster allows you to customize everything from your dashboard to how tasks are tracked, which can be a game changer for teams with specific needs. The third thing you need to know is about integration. Roster excels here. Many alternatives like ClickUp often require extensive add-ons to connect with other tools, but roster comes with native integrations with popular apps like Slack, Google Workspace, and Microsoft Teams right out of the box. This can save you tons of time and effort if you're already using these tools in your daily operations. Now, let's move on to scalability. If you're running a small team or planning to grow, roster has you covered. This platform is designed to grow with you, meaning it can handle everything from a startup with just a few people to a large enterprise needing to manage hundreds of tasks and users. When you compare that to competitors like Rike, which can get complicated as you scale, roster keeps it smooth and straightforward without sacrificing functionality. Next, we have collaboration tools. Roster truly shines here. It's not just a project management software, it's a hub for collaboration. Many platforms, including Asana, focus on task tracking and communication separately, but roster integrates both in a seamless way. Whether you're leaving comments directly on tasks, tagging team members, or managing deadlines collaboratively, everything happens in one place, which makes a huge difference for productivity. The sixth thing to consider is reporting and analytics. Roster gives you a strong set of reporting tools to track team performance, task completion rates, and more. This is where roster outperforms many of its competitors, especially in terms of the depth of reporting available at your fingertips. Whether you're using data for decision-making or simply trying to track progress, roster makes it easy and customizable, unlike some platforms where you might need to rely on third-party integrations for detailed insights. Finally, let's discuss the price. While it's not the cheapest option on the market, roster offers solid value for the money, compared to similar software like Monday. Como ClickUp, which can add up quickly depending on your team size, roster's pricing structure is designed to give you more for less. It's an investment that, when used effectively, can save your team time and money in the long run. So there you have it, the 7 things you absolutely need to know before buying roster. If you're looking for a streamlined, customizable platform that grows with your team and keeps everything in one place, roster might just be the solution you've been searching for. To give it a try, click the first link in the description below for a free trial and exclusive benefits. Make sure to give roster a test drive and see for yourself why so many teams are making the switch. Thanks for watching.